Scotty.
Hello, guys.
What are you doing here on Stephen and Barry's Lincoln?
Removing a bad caliper. We got the new good one in the box over there. We're doing a bypass for this particular line.
The hard line.
Which is kind of silly because it goes from this hose to a junction back here to run forward around way up here and then I don't... Yeah, I'm not understanding the logic.
It's ridiculous.
So we're about one step from pulling everything off.
You're gonna pull out
No,
camera?
no, I don't pull out.
Oh, God. One thing I want to bring to your attention, boys, while Scotty's
playing with your nuts,
doing an inappropriate motion. Sorry, Scotty.
That's okay.
Keep going. That shock, the rubbers are a little.
Yeah, they're a little vercocked.
Yeah. So we might want to
address those.
Think about front shocks here soon.
Yeah.
But other than that, gentlemen, it looks rather nice. You know, it's good enough. It's not perfect, but it's good.
I like it, but I've always liked these cars.
I know you do. Because you're fancy.
No, I'm bougie. There's a difference.
You are a little bougie bitch. You're a little bougie bitch. I'm just going over your shoulder here. Go, Fran.
Ooh.
All right. Scotty's about ready to pull out.
And
you're pregnant.
Was it as good for you guys as it was for me?
I need to see.
It was fantabulous.
I definitely need to smoke after that. Don't drop the pads because we're reusing them. Oh, yeah. You dropped some hardware.
A washer.
Oh, that was for the fun bracket, fun time. All right, just set that down. We do need to get this fitting out here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Very nice muskrat. He's a good muskrat.
Okay, so we'll clean everything up before it goes back on, of course, because that's just what I do.
You clean everything.
Yes.
You like cleaning things.
Well, I mean, we all have...
You also like to polish lobbies.
I am very good at polishing things.
Rods?
I have been told I can suck start a Harley. I think that qualifies as a pretty good one.
Yeah, that's a... Should we use a line wrench on that like you're supposed to?
Yeah, when things get put back where they belong, Scotty can find them.
Okay, well, all my line wrenches are in my box, in my drawer, where they belong.
That box is close enough, so we're working out of it.
Got it.
We're just going to put everything back when we're done.
So.
Oh, wait a minute. He has line wrenches.
Yes, because he bought the same set that I ordered. Remember? Looking pretty good otherwise.
There we go. And go figure. 9/16, I think.
On the big one?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. We need to clean that really well.
Look at that, calibrated eye.
Don't steal my lines.
They'd have to be yours in the first place for me to do that.
Trademark copyright Bobby D Inc. Jesus, Scotty. Gonna have a seizure. Don't hemorrhage shit. Ooh, I zoomed in. Enhance. I had to zoom in. Everything's so small.
Well, you're used to that.
My obnoxious remark has backfired.
Uh-huh.
Oh, well.
You forget who you're dealing with.
Yeah, Senor Muskrat. The Muskrata. Alright, let me see this here fitting. Because he was saying it was having trouble sealing. So we'll get this a little clean.
Looks like that crush washer has been crushed one too many times. So we have crush washers, and the hoses didn't come with crush washers.
Of course not.
So we'll get crush washers for those, get that taken care of.
Clean this. Alright. And
I'm going to get my hands cleaned up so I can start touching things.
And then we'll do another clip in a little bit. Oh, God, I'm zoomed in too far. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay.